Okay, the kitchen area now is finished. This is a white Vortox high gloss with a combination of the wood effect Vortox, which you don't need handles for. We've all got little trays for your fingers. Double 800 drawers as usual under the sink area. We've got a couple of carousel areas here, pull out from the corners. With a box there for trays and tea towels or whatever's going to happen there. And you've got your oven, your microwave. This box cabinet up here we had to make to suit the fridge freezer. Panels on the side. Client's going to pick out some tiles for this bottom area. Dishwasher integrated. Induction hob. And then you've got another two 800s with some hidden drawers. The client's making herself at home now, filling their drawers up. 400 with 200 hiddens. And again now. And considering the amount of water that was leaking in this area, yeah, very nice, very happy. We ventilated the roof as well. I put an inspection panel here because inside this roof gets extremely hot, so we put some vents in here, and we're now waiting for a centre light to come, and we'll be back to finish that. All in all, very happy.